In this video, we will discuss about question number 3, exercise 2.3 polynomials. In this question, what we want? Find the value of k. We want the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. 4 questions are given in this question. In each question we want value of k. 4 polynomials we are having. In each polynomial one unknown value, unknown constant we are having k. We want that value. So how we will solve these questions? First observe this one. For this question, these questions we are having single factor x minus 1. In all question we will use this factor. So the 0 of x minus 1 will be what? We want the 0 of that factor. How we will find the 0? We will put this factor equal to 0, then solve, and what we are getting? X equal to 1. So the 0 of this factor is what? X equal to 1. Now we will put that 0 in each polynomial, and that polynomial should be equal to 0. What? We will use a factor theorem. And what factor theorem? Observe, factor is this is the factor, x minus 1 is the factor. X minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, then its 0 in the polynomial should be equal to 0. This is the factor theorem. Observe or not? What? Its 0. Given factor's 0, we will put in the polynomial, and that polynomial should be equal to 0, and solve that equation. Then we will find what? We will find the value of k. Clear? Now I am taking question number first. What is the question number 1? Question number 1 is one polynomial we are having x square plus x plus k. So we calculated 0 of this factor. The 0 of x minus 1 is what? X minus 1 should be equal to 0, then x equal to 1. This is the 0 of given factor. Now we are having question 1, p of x equal to x square plus x plus k. Using factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So it's 0, p of 1. Then p of 1 should be equal to 0. What? Its 0 of this factor is 1. We will put this in the polynomial and equal to 0, and equate this polynomial value to 0, and solve that equation will be the answer. In this way we will find the value of k. P of 1 should be equal to 0. Put the value of 1 in the polynomial. 1 square plus 1 plus k. 1 square is 1 plus k. So 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. 2 plus k equal to 0. Now we want k, so we will transpose this towards the right. So positive, so it will be in the negative. K equal to minus 2. So what is the value of k in this polynomial is what? Minus 2. Once we put the value of k equal to minus 2, then what is the polynomial? X square plus x minus 2. And its one factor is this one. Clear? K equal to minus 2. When we factorize, then we will, this is the quadratic polynomial, and quadratic polynomial having degree 2, and its factor will be what? 2. Its root will be 2. It means this is the one of its factor. Clear? Now I am taking next one. What is the next question? We are having polynomial 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Same process we will be follow. We are having factor. What factor we are having? X minus 1. X minus 1 is one of factor is given in the question. So its 0 is what? We are finding 0, x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is its 0. Now, using factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Then p of 0, p of this factor 0 will be equal to 0. We will put 1 in the given polynomial. So p1 will be what? We will put 1 at the place of the x. 2 times of 1 square plus 2 times of x is 1 plus root 2 should be equal to 0. Clear? Solve this one. 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1 plus k. K into 1 will be k plus root 2. Clear? 2 1 ja 2 plus k plus root 2 will be, we will write as it is, equal to 0. Now we want solve for the k. So 2 and plus 2 both are positive. We will transpose towards the right and both will be what? Negative. Take minus common, then we will write in the bracket 2 plus root 2. So minus 2 plus root 2 will be what? The value of k. Clear? So how we are finding these values? Simple process we are following. We are having factor. We will find the 0 of that factor and put that 0 into the given polynomial and equate to 0. Putting the value of zeros and equate to 0. That and solve for the k, and that will be the value of k. Clear? Now I am taking next question, question number 3rd. Observe carefully what is happening in this question. I am taking question number 3rd one. So how we will solve this one? Observe carefully what will be the process. What is the question number 3rd one I am taking? This one is p of x equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Again observe, kx square minus root 2x plus 1. From factor theorem what we can say? X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Then p of 1, this is the factor, so its 0 will be 1. We will put its 0 into the given polynomial and equate to 0. That is the factor theorem. So we are putting 1 in the given polynomial. K times of 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. There is a plus, sign is important, otherwise answer will be wrong, and equal to 0. What question we are doing? Question number 3 we are observing there. So solve this one. K into 1 minus root 2 into 1 will be what? Root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply this one. K minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Observe carefully. Again observe, kx square minus root 2x plus 1 we are having in a question number 3rd. This is a given polynomial. Factor is this one. Its 0 will be 1. We will put 1 in the given polynomial. K into 1 square minus root 2 into 1, x value is the 1, plus 1 equal to 0. Now solve k minus root 2 plus 1. Now we want the value of the k, so k will be what? Transpose both towards the right. Once we transpose, then this will be root 2 minus 1, and this is what? Required result of this question. Are you getting or not? What we are doing? Simple. We are putting the value of 1 in the given question and solving, and we are finding what? Value of k. Clear? Correct answer or wrong? Correct. 1 1. K minus root 2 plus 1. Then finally root 2 will be positive, plus 1 will be negative, and 1 square will be correct. This one is the correct answer. Now last question we are having. Observe carefully what is in the last question. Question number 4th. I am going to solve there. What will be the question number 4? Again we will follow same process. Question number 4 I am taking. Question number 4th one. P of x is what? Kx square minus 3x plus k. From factor theorem we are having, this is the factor, so its 0 is 1. We will put p of 1 equal to 0. Put 1 in this given polynomial. K into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k should be equal to 0. This is the factor theorem. Solve this one. K into 1 minus 3 plus k equal to 0. Multiply this one. K minus 3 plus k equal to 0. Solve carefully. K plus k is what? 2k. Minus 3 equal to 0. Transpose this one. 2k, this is the negative, so towards the right it will be what? Positive. When we transpose, minus 3 will be plus 3. Find the value of k. K equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of k. So in this way we solved all 4 polynomials and we find what? Value of k. So finding the value of k, we are having factor, we will put that factor equal to 0, find the 0. And that 0 put in the given polynomial and equate to 0 and solve for the k, that will be the value of k. So these all questions are easy, you follow that process and you can easily to understand these things. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.